UMLA ka VPP na Shillong North ba Adelbert Nongrum ulabu jingkili ya ka senjam ba ka sorkar kan shim knang ba ka jing internet kamaryang kan amshakta habaya day ba ka jing tmu ban penhe ya ka surok ba jaka penyang kali haki arjaka kum hawat sleg ba pan nong light park da ka thong banyak khun ya ka jing khap nya bat ka dheng kali Habaju bab halor kane usembut menteri rangba kajala badai pet ya katanat urban affairs bas nya bhalang dhar ula pentip bak sorkar kan yapen ya kajing internet maryang watla kidan kam ya ki kam penroi habaya kran halor kane kamat la shembentalang ru do MLA kanong thamai ba Charles Pengrop MLA ka maulai ba Bright Starwell Marbanyang ba Lakman Rumbui MLA ka Amlaram patkumju menteri rangba barim Dr Mukul Sangma.
They're optimistic of the government that they will go ahead. So please, kindly give a clarification whether the government will go ahead to abandon these two crucial places for replacement of parking lot.
Well, Mr. Speaker, sir, in fact, since the questioner is again referring to the reply I made yesterday against the short discussion duration. Sir, I think the question is totally different because yesterday the honourable mover of the duration discussion, he pointed out about about Bernihat issue. Then I told that yes, preliminary discussion is on, and if necessary, before taking any final decision, we will carry along everybody, we will carry along even the stakeholders, and with full justification. So that was my reply. So I don't know the honourable member now. He referred back to my reply yesterday. So this is only for the clarification. And I would like to request also, sir, through you, the honourable member, the questioner, kindly confine to your question and let the Honourable Deputy CM reply, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Once again, Mr. Speaker, sir, the reason I have asked a star question relating to proposed road widening alongside Words Lake and proposed parking lot at Pan Nonglight Park, because it seems the government of the day is so quick and ready to compromise the existing natural environment and beauty of Shillong landscape just to tackle traffic congestion. Yes, traffic congestion is indeed a nightmare for Shillong, but I believe the solution is not in having to destroy the beauty of natural landscape. So my supplementary question, Mr. Speaker, sir, to the concerned minister, whether the government is looking at alternative measures to provide solution to the growing traffic congestion in the heart of the city, especially around Police Bazaar and Yodo area, which falls under my constituency.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I understand that the concern of the honourable member, and the question is very clear, and I have replied very clearly also. Yes, I know. We need developments, considering the facts that no compromise on environmental issues. Every project that has been prepared, whether under PUD or tourism or urban, please keep in mind there is certain guideline laid by the Forest Department, especially if it goes to the Forest Department land. And number two, about the traffic congestion, there is a committee which is headed by the Chief Secretary, which is in line with the other different departments. And the committees, the blueprints already there. Hopefully that is why we have to come such a comprehensive approach like widening of road. Does not mean when widen the road, to just cut random the tree and to destroy all the beauty. That is not the meaning. I know the concern. We are all the same concern, I think. But please allow the government to work. So I think even yesterday the Deputy CM replied very clearly. Yes, we cannot compromise on environment. That is very clear. So as urban minister, I think it's my responsibility also to see sometime if there is a ways and mean, if there is possibility to widen some portion. You know very well now, the traffic problem in the state is very, very crucial. Now only 17 km per hour as per the study, which it should be 35 km per hour in the road. So therefore, I will request the honourable member, please bear with us. We will take care of all this into consideration. Even I set example in the main reply. Recently, we construct a parking lot just opposite Nigrim. Just go and have a look at it. There is not even a single tree cut by the department, which has been departmentally done, which we can accommodate around 100-150 parking. So beautiful made. So we are trying to follow the same model in order to avoid to destroy all the elements. So this is, I want to clarify regarding to your question.
So while putting this question, it's not that we as a party, we are rigid to any development. We are not against any development. But let me remind, in the name of development, our right has been snatched away. That through experiences. Okay, let me put a second supplementary. In the past, we have heard that talk about a proposal for a flyover from DC office to Motfront, with an alignment that will not touch Police Bazaar. May I know from the Minister in charge, what is the status of this proposed flyover?
I would like to avoid the honourable member. The question, the principal question is related only with Watts Lake and Panong Lake. I'm not going to reply, which is not related with my principal question.
It's impossible, I will not accept. Okay, nevertheless, another one supplementary through you, Mr. Speaker, sir. We all know the fact that one of the main cause of traffic congestion around Motfront area is because there is no free flow of vehicle on the road through Them Yo Molong. And that is because of the barricade placed at Bimola Junction for more than 6 years now. May I know from the Honourable Minister, what is the mind of the government about in regards to this barricade? What reason you are erecting this barricade till date?
So about this, we had a meeting last month about this. So I think shortly we'll be taking a call as a government on these issues.
Honourable Speakers.
Yes, please.
The course of the reply of the Honourable Deputy Chief Minister, President Tin Song, he said that regarding